Scientists from Tampere University and the University of Bremen have discovered that one simple design element dramatically changes how we perceive robots, because it is all about the eyes. According to the study, humanoid robots with eyes are consistently perceived as more intelligent, more emotional, and more socially significant than identical models without eyes. The research focused on what psychologists call mind perception, the human tendency to attribute consciousness, emotions, and intentions to others. This perception has two main components. First, agency, the ability to think, make decisions, and control actions. Second, experience, the ability to feel emotions. Previous studies have shown that people often assign mental qualities even to technical systems like voice assistants and service robots. But not all humanoid machines have clearly defined facial features, especially eyes. In the new study, researchers used artificial intelligence models to generate realistic images of humanoid robots. For each robot, two versions were created, one with eyes and one without. Participants viewed these images in two separate experiments, and the results of the study were absolutely clear. Regardless of whether the robot looked like a child or an adult, and regardless of whether the eyes were displayed on a screen or embedded in the robot's face, models with eyes were consistently rated as more thinking and more capable of feeling. Importantly, this effect appeared not only in direct surveys, but also in experiments that measured subconscious perception. This suggests that eyes influence our judgments at very early stages of information processing. The head of the study, Professor Jari Hietanen, emphasized that eyes are far more than decoration. According to him, eyes shape how people perceive the social and even moral status of robots. And the perception that a robot has a mind affects empathy, cooperation, and ethical treatment. The findings have practical implications. As humanoid robots become more common in healthcare, education, and service industries, their design could significantly impact trust and human-machine interaction. The researchers conclude that future robot development should consider not only technical performance, but also psychological perception. Because sometimes something as simple as a pair of eyes can transform a machine from a tool into a social partner. If you found this research fascinating, like this video and subscribe for more science and AI insights.